Hey guys, this is Lamont at Lamonster Garage, and we're going to just show you a quick how-to on hooking up our new power that's supplied for your fog lights for the Can Am Ryker. And this is, once again, this is a plug-and-play harness, and we're just going to show you how to plug and play it. Basically, these two will go, this is already hooked up, but these will go a plug on this side and a plug on this side. So it's all pre-wired, but to get power, we've kind of expedited this a little bit for the video, but you have to pull a pin here, one more pin here. I got this one in there just to hold it. So you pull that pin, and then the only thing holding it now is right in front. There's a little push pin type deal. Just pop that out. That holds it there and there. So then you can go ahead and set this aside. And once you have that off, I'm not going to route the wires for you, but basically you're going to want to route the wires up here. And you're going to look for this little jumper right here. This will be plugged in here. You want to pull that out, and then you're going to hook the female to male, and then that will plug back in here, and then this will run like so. So that's how you pick up power. Real simple deal, but this allows you to pull power for your fog light. And like I say, it's all plug and play, no cutting, no splicing, and that's how we typically like to do our wiring. If we can't do that, we usually use lever locks, clean fasteners. But anyway, that's all there is basically. You find this wire, plug the female to the male, plug this back in, once again to the fog lights that we provide. We'll already have these, the female ends of these on the lights. That's it. Pretty easy install. You probably could do the whole thing, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. So that's it, guys. Thanks.